Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by turning on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both the Chromebook and the iPad, then update each OS so features work correctly. Open the app you chose. Chrome Remote Desktop is simplest for screen access, then sign in with the same Google account when prompted. Once done, grant permissions for microphone, camera, and network access if the app asks. These allow remote control and streaming. Make sure battery is above 20% or keep chargers connected to avoid interruptions while you proceed. Now configure the host on your Chromebook. Open the remote or screen sharing app and enable remote access, set a PIN or device name, and choose persistent access if you want future connections. Then switch to your iPad and open the client app. Sign in with the same account and refresh the device list until the Chromebook appears. Tap to connect, and when a PIN or one-time code is displayed on one device, enter it on the other to authenticate. This step establishes an encrypted session, which protects your data during control. Finish by tuning quality settings. Lower resolution or frame rate to reduce lag, and enable touch mapping so your iPad taps correspond to Chromebook input. Test file transfer and audio and verify clipboard sharing works. These confirm a full connection. If something goes wrong, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then restart both devices and reopen the apps. Re-enter the PIN if prompted. If issues persist, reinstall the client on the iPad or remove, and re-enable remote access on the Chromebook to clear stale pairings and restore a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.